Natural gas continues to bump along the bottom. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's largest retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The natural gas markets have done very little in the early hours on Friday, as it looks like we are just going to hang around the $2.25 region. This is a market that might be in the process of forming a little bit of a double bottom on the 4 hour chart, but really at this point, I think any bounce is probably more or less going to be a short term rally just waiting to happen, not necessarily some type of major turnaround. In fact, we may get that little bit of a bounce, mainly due to the fact that, at least here in the northeastern part of the United States, we are going to get pretty nasty heat next week. It will be in the neighborhood of around 38 degrees Celsius, if my calculation is correct. But this is a short-term thing. So if you are nimble enough, yes, you may be able to buy it here, but I wouldn't get married to this position. For myself, I am investing in natural gas, and therefore I'm through an ETF and I don't have any leverage. So I'm just going to sell at the end of summer, mid-fall, when we really start to spike in price. It happens every year, so it's not exactly a very difficult trade to take, but the lack of leverage is what you desperately need because this is a market that can get thrown around quite quickly. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.